Here are 6 news stories from the world of the crypto industry. Possible settlement of the case with the SEC on July 18 could trigger an XRP rally. The Pixelverse game team announced the listing date of the PIXFI token on exchanges. Crypto-friendly Senator J.D. Vance may take the position of vice president in the Trump administration. The Nigerian court postponed hearings on the Binance case until the medical condition of Tigran Gambaryan is assessed. Venture funding for African blockchain projects has decreased by 74% over the year. Crypto exchange Kraken has signed a sponsorship deal with the football club Tottenham. First news. Possible settlement of the case with the SEC on July 18 could trigger an XRP rally. The recovery of Bitcoin's price has signaled a positive impulse to the entire altcoin market. Thus, the cryptocurrency XRP, issued by Ripple Labs, shows signs of potential ascent. Improved investor sentiment, combined with the upcoming settlement of the legal battle with the SEC, indicates a possible bullish trend. Sentiment metrics from the Paul Barron Network showed an overall trading sentiment of 65, volume sentiment of 61, and overall average sentiment of 55. The upcoming settlement discussion with the SEC is scheduled for July 18. The meeting will discuss the issue of initiating and settling precautionary measures, administrative proceedings, and resolving legal claims. There are speculations that the SEC may drop the lawsuit against Ripple, which could be a turning point for XRP and lead to the token's growth. Technical analysis shows that XRP may rise above 60 cents, facing resistance around 62 cents. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse emphasized the importance of having a reliable benchmark rate for institutional crypto products. The CME Group will meet this need on July 29, potentially supporting XRP's prospects. Additionally, there are rumors that XRP could return to the Robinhood platform as early as August, positively impacting XRP's price. Second news. The Pixelverse game team announced the listing date of the PIXFI token on exchanges. According to Pixelverse co-founder Corey Leon, the play-to-earn game team decided to choose an original strategy and release the token to the market earlier than several other projects based on the TON ecosystem. Leon emphasized that Pixelverse with its PIXFI token marks the first launch in the Telegram ecosystem after Notcoin, while other projects such as Hamster Combat and TapSwap are only planning to list their assets. According to the game's developers, the PIXFI token will be presented on several major centralized platforms, but they declined to specify which ones. It is known that BitGet will hold the listing on July 18, 2024. There is also no information regarding the airdrop. Leon only noted that about 30% of the total PIXFI supply is intended for long-term game rewards. Recall that PixelTap is a click-and-earn game within the Pixelverse ecosystem, functioning as an application within Telegram. PixelTap combines elements of strategy, PvP battles, and cryptocurrency earnings. Players earn points, which are then converted into PIXFI tokens. Points can be earned by tapping the screen, inviting friends, and participating in PvP battles. In June, the project attracted $5.5 million in investments from Delphi Digital, Merit, Bitscale Labs, and Galaxy Digital. Third news. Crypto-friendly Senator J.D. Vance may take the position of vice president in the Trump administration. According to Coinbase information and analytical resource Stand with Crypto, which assesses the positions of U.S. politicians regarding the cryptocurrency industry based on social media posts and votes in favor of pro-crypto acts, Senator J.D. Vance is characterized as a strong supporter of the development of the digital finance industry. Vance was among 60 senators who planned to overturn a controversial amendment to accounting guidelines adopted by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, limiting the ability of American banks to hold crypto assets. Vance has also repeatedly criticized SEC Chairman Gary Gensler, calling the head of the agency's approach to regulating the digital finance industry extremely short-sighted and unprofessional. In my view, Gensler is one of the worst leaders in his position. The approach Gary Gensler has taken to blockchain and cryptocurrency regulation is the complete opposite of what it should be. He involves politics too much in the real securities business in the U.S., Vance said at Remedy Fest, a private conference organized by Y Combinator and Bloomberg in February. Earlier, Senator Vance reported in an official disclosure of financial information about public servants about his investments in Bitcoin and holding digital assets worth about $250,000. Fourth news. The Nigerian court postponed hearings on the Binance case until the medical condition of Tigran Gambaryan is assessed. On Tuesday, July 16, the Federal High Court in Abuja for the third time suspended the trial on money laundering charges in Nigeria against the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. The decision was made after the doctor of the Kuje Correctional Center, where Binance head of financial crime compliance Tigran Gambaryan is being held, again ignored the court's request to prepare a medical report on the executive's health and did not appear to testify in court. Gambaryan's lawyers argue that their client's health is in serious danger and the court can no longer ignore these circumstances. Tigran Gambaryan's health continues to deteriorate rapidly. He suffered from bilateral pneumonia and malaria. While in prison and under custody, he repeatedly complained of numbness in his limbs and back pain, said a statement from Gambaryan's family spokesperson. Judge Emeka White ordered Gambaryan to be taken to Nizami Hospital in Abuja for a full medical examination and preparation of a health report within 24 hours. Judge White also issued a warrant for the arrest of the Kuje Correctional Center doctor for disobeying the court. The new court date for the Binance case is set for October 11, with the presence of the Nizami Hospital director and the presentation of a complete medical report on Gambaryan's health. Fifth news. Venture funding for African blockchain projects has decreased by 74% over the year. In the first half of 2024, African blockchain companies attracted external funding from venture investors amounting to about $38 million. Compared to the same period in 2023, when funding for African blockchain projects reached $135.4 million, the investment volume decreased by 74%. Researchers note that the decline in blockchain industry funding in Africa coincided with a global decrease in venture investors' interest in financing the industry. In the first half of 2024, the global blockchain investment market decreased by more than 64% year-on-year, from $11 billion to $5.7 billion. In terms of deals concluded worldwide during the period, blockchain startups managed to close only 678 deals with venture capitalists, which is 49% less than in the first half of 2023, when 1,306 deals were completed. At the beginning of the year, the American cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase and the largest African cryptocurrency platform Yellow Card announced a joint partnership and expansion of their services in Africa. Earlier, Yellow Card founder and CEO Chris Morris stated that crypto technologies are more fully demanded and demonstrate their usefulness precisely in African countries than in any other part of the world. Sixth news. Crypto exchange Kraken has signed a sponsorship deal with the football club Tottenham. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken has signed a sponsorship deal with the English football club Tottenham Hotspur, reports CoinDesk. Kraken will become Tottenham's first official cryptocurrency and Web3 partner. The exchange's logo will be placed on the sleeves of the men's and women's team jerseys. The financial terms of the deal have not been disclosed. Last week, Kraken announced a similar agreement with the Spanish football club Atletico Madrid. CoinDesk also adds that Kraken is negotiating to raise $100 million by the end of the year ahead of a potential initial public offering. Partnerships with Tottenham and Atletico Madrid could accelerate these plans as the exchange gains even more visibility.